9823 Tapestry Park Circle, Unit 407 is where my newest listing is located, and it's in a prime location here in Jacksonville. This is a 3-story end unit townhome, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with an attached garage. It's a little bit over 1,800 square feet. Let's go inside so I can give you a tour, but stay tuned for the end of the video because I can't wait to show you all that Tapestry Park has to offer. Exciting restaurants, specialty shops, professional services, even a boutique hotel with lakeside dining. It's all just steps from your door in Tapestry Park, where city pleasures blend beautifully with elegant residences. I'm Stevie, the team lead of the Stevie Home team with Keller Williams. If you have any questions about buying or selling real estate here in Northeast Florida, don't hesitate to reach out to me.